What's up, guys? In today's video I will be showing you guys the cars and stuff in Pixel Car Racer. So right now I just have my Hellcat and my BMW. Let me show you how much horsepower these guys have. 3,000 horsepower. Maxed it, pretty sure. But I have to find a new engine. So, any of you guys can send some ways on how to get this engine for it. Let me find it. I need 5 million. Actually, I need 10 million because I want to put it in my BMW as well. Y'all better not hate me for it, but I will put it in. Well, so this is how much horsepower this one has. 906, I know I just got it. I gotta get a wing, I gotta afford a wing. So I'm not gonna use this until I get my wing. So I'm gonna use this and drive it just a couple of times because I just need it a couple times. So I need... I want to go manual because I'm gonna go for snow. I don't know where I am. This is what I gotta wait for, guys. Don't worry, y'all don't have to wait for it. You're just watching the video. I can't believe I'm gonna downshift so many times. They're cooking.